If you're seeing a Photopea corrupted file error, don't panic just yet, because in many cases there's still a chance to recover at least part of your work. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step process to try opening the file, check whether the file is actually recoverable, and then use alternative editors to extract whatever data is still intact. And if this tutorial helps, be sure to hit like and subscribe for more practical software fixes just like this. Let's get into it. First, open your browser and go to photopea.com. Once the site loads, you don't need to look for a special recovery button because Photopea does not have a separate recovery tool. Instead, its normal file parser will try to recover the file automatically when you open it. Now take your corrupted.psd file and drag and drop it directly onto the main canvas in Photopea. This is the easiest first step because it lets the app inspect the file structure and attempt to read past corrupted binary blocks. If parts of the file are still intact, Photopea may be able to reconstruct some layers, text, or image content. Now, if the file opens partially, that's a good sign. Take a careful look through the Layers panel and the visible document. Sometimes only certain parts of the file are damaged, while the rest is still usable. If you see your layers or artwork, save the file right away under a new name so you preserve whatever Photopea managed to recover. This is especially important if the file opens but seems unstable, because the goal is to secure the data before anything else goes wrong. Next, you need to verify the file size, because this tells you whether you're dealing with corruption or complete data loss. If Photopea crashed, froze, or closed mid-save, the file may have been created incorrectly or never fully written to disk. On Windows, right-click the file and choose Properties. On Mac, use Get Info. Then check the file size. If the file is showing 0 KB or 0 bytes, that usually means there is no real data inside the file, and unfortunately, that cannot be repaired by Photopea or most other editors. In that case, your best option is to look for a recent autosave version or a backup copy in your Downloads folder, Cloud Sync folder, or any other location where the file may have been saved automatically. If the file does have a normal size but still won't open correctly in Photopea, the next step is to try a different graphic editor. Different apps use different parsing engines, and one program may be able to bypass broken header offsets or read damaged data that another program cannot. Try opening the same corrupted file in GIMP, Krita, or Clip Studio Paint. If one of those programs manages to open the file, even partially, you may be able to recover more than you expected. Once it opens, immediately save it as a new clean PSD file or export individual layers as PNG files if that gives you better control over the recovery. A good tip here is to work from the most complete version available. If you have multiple copies of the file, start with the newest one first, then test older versions if needed. Also, avoid repeatedly saving over the same corrupted file, because that can make recovery harder. Always create a copy before testing it in another editor. That way, if one app fails, you still have the original damaged file to try again later. So to recap, if you get a Photopea corrupted file error, first try opening it normally by dragging the PSD into Photopea, because the parser may recover intact layers automatically. Second, check the file size, because a 0 KB file usually means the data was never written and cannot be restored. Third, try other editors like GIMP, Krita, or Clip Studio Paint to extract any remaining layer data and save it into a fresh file. If this helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more quick fixes, recovery tips, and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.